have to make breakfast is to show you my recipe of doing just simple mandazis at home. So show you how I do make my mandazis, just fit for one person, so that this is tough. So let's get into it. So we are going to need unga, and I do use this X mandazi because it has the ingredients of making mandazi. So I have placed you guys there so that you can see the process. I'm going to use this small bowl so that I can measure the amount of flour that I need. So I had some flour that I had opened earlier on, so I'm going to start with it. So I have used these 2 bowls of this bowl. So I will first mix the dry ingredients first, then I will go to the wet ingredients. Of course, I forgot to show you, you need some water or milk if you have. So because I don't think if I have some milk, but I will use water. So we will get in with a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Let me add it. I will mix in cinnamon, a tablespoon. I will get in with my sugar. I think I will need 3 teaspoons of it, the big spoon. So I'm done with the ingredients. So we are going to mix the unga manually because we don't have a mixer at the moment. So we are going to go in with some lukewarm water, and then we mix the flour. I have washed my hands, so I'm going to stop slaying and mix this one manually. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going I'm going the soy rice. I'm going to go in with a little oil. Kiasi tu. Don't place a lot of oil. Your mandazis will be too oily when you cook them. So just a little oil. As you can see, I hope you can see. There's too much light, yeah. It's not sticking and it's very soft. So when you're done kneading in your bowl, unaiweka kwa worktop yako, and then you knead it like so. I hope you ain't going to see, but you knead it on your worktop so that it may have the best consistency. Okay, so this one is done, so we are going to let it settle for at least 15 minutes, then I will get back to you guys. Okay, all right, I'm going to cover it with cling film, but if you don't have cling film in your place, you can cover it with your kitchen towel while it's wet. The kitchen towel should be wet. So for my case, I'm just going to cover it with the cling film and let it settle. As you can see, our dough is settled now. This is like after 20 minutes. So we are going to start off the process. So I'm going to place the oil and then I will catch you guys. To let the oil heat up and then we'll be back in a while. Yeah, okay. It's very soft. Okay, so we are going to use a roller and then we are going to roll just here hapa tu, and then we'll be good to go to shape them. Okay, we are going to place our mandazis in this bowl, but I'm going to first get in with the kitchen towel or serviette if we do have, so that the mandazis, this one can soak in the extra oil. Okay, it's always fun to cook by yourself. So yeah, this is the size. So no, it's not too thick and it's not too thin, but kitu iko na nyama ndani yenye tunaweza shiba, right? Okay, so let me check my oil. See, I showed you guys how to check your oil if it is heat to the right temperature. Tuseme kama hii natumia hii rolling pin, you just dip it in the oil, ikitoa bubbles then you are good to go. Ama unaweza tumia mwiko, just a wooden stuff in your kitchen. Ndizi zenye nilikuwa nimekatakata, so because I'm using one hand to shoot, itabidi niweke moja moja tu. So acha tu niweke zote and then one. The second lot. Hey, they look so yummy. So I'm going to nimeamua kuweka this sieve mafuta, so there will be no need of placing the serviette in our bowl. First, how do you see them, guys? Yummy. So guys, I hope you have learned the simplest way to make mandazi. So I'm going to taste for you guys. Nilikuwa nimeanza kuuma him. How do you see that? Iko na nyama plus hii this stuff hapa ndani imeiva tu vizuri kabisa. So I hope you have enjoyed and I hope you have learned something. So bye bye, see you in my next video.